Ready to transform your ordinary drone footage into cinematic masterpieces with the power of AI. First, head over to Luma AI's website. The link is in the description below. Create a new account or log into your existing one. Once you're in, you will see a home screen to upload your footage. Click the Upload button and select the drone footage you want to enhance. Luma AI supports various video formats, so compatibility shouldn't be an issue once uploaded. Luma AI analyzes your footage. This may take a few minutes, depending on the video length. Now, let's stabilize that shaky drone footage. Navigate to the Stabilization tab. Luma AI offers several stabilization modes. Experiment to see which works best for your shot. Adjust the strength slider to fine-tune the stabilization effect. Next up, color correction. Luma AI provides intuitive tools to adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, and more. Use the color wheels to target specific hues and create a unique color grade for your footage. You can also use LUTs to improve efficiency. Want to add some visual flair? Explore Luma AI's effects library. You'll find everything from lens flares to cinematic looks. Simply drag and drop the effect onto your footage and adjust the parameters to your liking. Compare the before and after to appreciate the transformation. Remember to save your progress. Finally, it's time to export your enhanced drone footage. Choose your desired resolution, frame rate, and video format. Click the Export button and your masterpiece will be ready in a matter of minutes.